Welcome back! You are my superstar. Today, we're gonna learn how to say watermelon in Chinese. 西瓜 Please repeat after me. 西瓜西瓜西瓜 Now a little bit faster. 西瓜西瓜西瓜 It's time to review what we have learned so far. Apple or apples. 苹果苹果 Banana or bananas. 香蕉香蕉 Grape or grapes. 葡萄葡萄 Orange or oranges. 橙子橙子 Strawberry or strawberries. 草莓草莓 Peach or peaches. 桃子桃子 Watermelon. 西瓜西瓜 Well done! 好样的 See you tomorrow. 明天见 I've spent lots of time, energy, and effort into making this video for you to learn Chinese. Please give me a thumb up or share to show me your support. Thank you. If you need more of my videos, please search 11 Dreams Go-Getter Sabrina or search Learn Chinese with Sabrina. No boring grammar. Or visit my website at www.11dreamsgogetter.com. Have a wonderful day.